Alrighty. We actually made good progress the last week or two. Finally got crap working. I can show you that real quick. I have two different cubes, and they're both playing a different animation. And once they finished looping through it, they reset, like the one on the right just did. Um, and like that one just did just there. That's where I'm at right now. I have those done. Uh, it's basically what I did in testing here. Or is this? No, this is Cube. Sorry. Basically, what I've done since the last video is I've gone through and done all the. I've programmed all the turns, like all these functions. They're all collapsed, but they're basically just like this one, where they do all this stuff to make the cube start a turn and only start it if one's finished and stuff. I did this function right here that's going to do everything these ones do, but it's going to simplify it. So this function will just be like one line where it just calls this function and puts in like all these arguments to do it. So it's going to save me tons of lines of code, probably like hundreds of lines of code. I'm working on that right now, but that should be a pretty quick fix. I also made these functions kind of for, this is for like getting all the pieces. I have a node for the currently moving part of the cube, and basically it's just a blank node, and I add all the parts that need to move as children to it, and then I will move that node and they will move along with it. Like this function basically takes their global positions of the pieces and then makes them no longer children of that node, and then resets that node so that it's back to its normal rotation and position. And then the other ones, I take their global position and make that their new position and rotation and stuff. Then this one makes it so it fixes any desyncs, because every time it runs through the process loop, it takes a different amount of time every time. And so you have to account for that. And basically, I just have it so once it's finished a turn, it's going to be slightly off. So I just have it snap back to where it's supposed to be. And then I have this one that also kind of just helps with resetting the turning layer node I have. I made this cube controller class where basically it's just showing you, or it's just a node that controls the cube. It like gives it an algorithm and stuff. Like here you can get, this is an algorithm I gave it on these two cubes, and it'll run through them. This is the testing one. Cube logic, I redid the ready function just because it stopped working when I had two cubes, and I had to do some troubleshooting to make it work so it would work with two instead of just one. Basically by making this function. And I think that's about all the changes in my code I've done. I also started making menus, so this is like a start menu, and this can be like a pause menu. You can click these buttons and they will take you to do the thing you're looking to do. But yeah, pretty much all I have to do now is just start working with the menu and the UI and interface and stuff. So it's like actually like a tutorial thing that teaches people how to like do algorithms for the cube and stuff. Because right now it's just a simulation of a cube that can kind of just do whatever I want it to do, but now I need to start like making it so it has a menu and stuff people can use to actually like learn stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much where I'm at now. I'll see you next time. Bye.